Hello, my dear, from wherever you're currently watching from. I thought that today I will switch it up a little bit. So same place, different time. And today I wanted to share something very vulnerable with you. Are you ready? When I was raised as a child, alcohol has been a big factor in my education and in the way that I was raised. So emotional unavailability comes with that. And I felt that also myself. I could see myself having difficulties, being vulnerable and opening up. And throughout the years, I have faced that process of healing in a lot of different forms through therapy and spirituality, psychology. And I guess it's still a process. And there are days just like today where I feel like, or let me start differently. I think that the way out of that is to be more vulnerable. And actually, there's this, I'm not sure how it's really called, something like when you are afraid of something, you have to do it. Basically, that's the common denominator. And just done my coffee. And basically, that's what it's all about, right? Being afraid of something. In my case, to open up. So that's actually one reason also why I have created this YouTube channel. So that we can together share about experiences and talk about stories of our lives. And by that, connecting and ensuring there's nothing more beautiful than connecting with each other on a really beautiful way, in a beautiful, deep way. And so, yeah, one of the tasks, or not tasks, but one of the processes that I feel that I'm going through myself is to learn how to open up more and to not let my past define my future. Oh, my hair is all over the place today. So yeah, that's basically it. So that's what I'm doing. And it doesn't really matter how my exterior reacts to that, because I truly believe that it's never about my exterior or your exterior. It's about becoming the best version of ourselves. And each and every day become a better version than we were yesterday. And so opening up to me feels good. So, yeah, taking a coffee right now. And actually, the reason why I wanted to share that with you is also because sometimes when I'm experiencing that opening up is great. But it's not like the world is just waiting for you to open up. I guess opening up comes with setting healthy boundaries too at the same time. And finding a balance between a healthy opening up and finding people that you can really open up to, that I can open up to in a, healthy way. That is also part of the process. And I guess I'm still, on that specific aspect, I'm still kind of learning and growing as I go. But here we are. And just a short reminder to myself and everyone out there who is currently facing maybe a lot of input, mental overload. It can help to really take one step forward and to keep pushing forward, actually. And just today, especially today, I felt like this balance for myself between finding a way to be vulnerable with you on this channel, and at the same time keeping my balance, but also my integrity, can be tough, and I also felt like I was getting too much in my head. And then I just started to do something completely different, which helped. And also it inspired me now to record with my mobile. I don't know if that's a format that I will maintain, but every now and then to switch things up can help, I guess. And to not believe everything that the mind is telling you. And actually, one fun fact about that, or it's not so funny, but it was kind of an aha moment when I first heard that. I was talking to a psychologist, like from a career perspective. We were working together. And after that conversation, I felt like, I would just leave it like that. I felt like, when you believe so much what your mind is telling you, that is the cause for a lot of mental diagnoses. Because they are basically a result of you believing your mind so much. But actually, it's a good reminder to not give your mind so much space. Because the mind is just the mind, but there's so much more to us. We have our soul, we have our intuition, we have our heart, we have our gut feeling. And last but not least, we have this beautiful environment with the sun, the leaves that we can touch, the birds that we can listen to. There's so much more than the mind. So if this day today was a little bit tough for you too, just know we're in this together. And what would be the last sentence for the video? And basically, opening up is a process. See you in the next one. And I almost forgot the most important part. I appreciate you. See you tomorrow.